how to create Phantom Wallet. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do on our browser is to go on the search bar and then search for Phantom Wallet extension. And then after searching, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen. So let's use the google.com right here. And then let's click get. And then just click allow. And then add extension. And then let's wait for it to be added into our browser. And then once we do that, let's open this by clicking that one. And then you will be redirected in this website. Now, to create a new wallet, all you have to do is to click this one and then click continue with email. Now, after that, you can log in through Apple or you can log in through Google. So I will just use Google right here for our example. And then just choose the account that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. And then click continue again. And then create a PIN. So just put the PIN that you want to put. And then click continue. And then confirm your PIN again. And then once you do that, once you have accomplished that, you will need to put your password right here. Click I agree to the terms of service. And then click continue. And then once you do that, you can choose your username right there, but I will just leave it as it is and then click continue again. And then after that, as you can see, we now have created a wallet on Phantom. So that is basically it. That is how to create a Phantom wallet.